Have you ever tried to ask if you are the best person or business to handle what you do? Are you the best person or the best solution for that problem that someone needs a solution to? Do your customers come to you because you are the best in your industry? Welcome to this episode of our podcasts. And today we are going to be discussing about building value, creating demand. I was recently having a conversation with a couple of people that I usually hang out with. We were talking about how do we create something such that we can be able to charge the amount of money that we think is fit. Not because people may not afford and not because we are thinking that we are overcharging people, but a very solid amount that someone is willing to pay for, even if it's way higher than the competitor's price. For you to be in position of doing that, you need to build value. After building value, that's how you create the demand. And when there is more demand for your product, you have the margin of increasing your price, and still people are going to still come and buy from you. I'm going to give you an example. There is a chicken place, a new chicken place that opened close to 6 months ago. Their first 3 months of service, they were serving their chicken at 7,000. A few months after that, they increased to 8,000. Then a few weeks after that, I think about 2 or 3 weeks, they increased to 10,000. I was so surprised because each time I go there, I don't even get any notice from before. They just tell me that, didn't you hear? The price has changed. And I'd be like, how, when? But since I really wanted to buy the chicken and I liked it, I still went ahead and bought it, even at 10,000. And that is how someone can create demand by building value. Now, what did these people do? They made their chicken better than the ones that I used to find. It tasted really nice. And it didn't take long to get it. You just arrive and they give you the chicken. You don't wait like you would in other places where you stay for like more than 10 minutes waiting for it to come. But you just arrive and you get it. It's very convenient, it's very flexible, and it saves a lot of time. You don't even have to go through so many things to buy. You just go, pick, and you leave. In your business, how can you build value? What do you do? What is your business? Are you a photographer? Are you a videographer? Is there something you can do that is way better than your competitors, that the customers are willing to pay much more for that? Are you a painter? Can you paint way better than the rest of the people, or is it your customer service? Are you a farmer? Are your products way better than your competitor? Are you a retail person? Is your customer service better than your neighbors or your competitors? And the list goes on and on. What can you do that is better than what your competitor does? Something that will create more demand for your services and products than it would for your competitor. That's it for today. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching until the end. We share practical tips from life experience on how to become attractive to wealth and riches. And for today, it's about building value. If you build value, you create demand, and you can increase your profit margin and people will still come and buy from you. If it's your first time here, thank you for watching. We do this after every 2 weeks. These videos come out on Thursdays. So every Thursday, be ready to receive a new video with a new content that's going to surely inspire you into greatness. Our slogan is, there is no better time to start than now. It's true. If you want to make any establishment, you have to start now. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified each time we have new content. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps to increase our rating on the algorithm. But otherwise, if you're watching from any other media, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. Share this video, like, give it to someone that you think may need it. We need to improve ourselves. We need to improve our businesses. If you don't do that, we shall be going downhill, and you don't want your business to operate that way. Thank you. Bye-bye.